Welcome to the Template Functionality Training video. In this video, you will learn how to create your own template. Click on the Setup ribbon, then choose Manage Template. You can create a new template or modify an existing one. Let's create a new template. First, choose a name for your new template. Then select a mode for this template if the wizard requires it. Now let's choose the sections we want in the template. Select the section you want to use by clicking on the corresponding box, or unclick the section you don't need. Then add the responsibilities that will have access to this template. You can type part of the responsibility name and add the wildcard to search. Highlight the responsibility and then use the arrow to select it. You can also edit a sheet with your template setup. Click Edit by Sheet. First, you need to save the pending changes. Select Yes. Here you will have more functionalities to customize your template. You can see the sections included in this template. The mandatory columns for the wizard on the mode you have selected. You can make columns read-only by entering Yes in this column. All fields that are highlighted in gray cannot be modified. You can remove columns from the template by setting this column field value to No. To do that, you can use the list of values, type or copy paste the value No. By default, the only first 10 descriptive flex field attributes are enabled. You can make columns mandatory by entering Yes in this column. If you want to rename a column, just add in the new label here in the Custom View label. You can add comments to the columns too. This will display when you hover over the column label cell in row 9. When you are happy with the template setup, click the Load button. Finally, save this template to your repository. Close the Manage Template form. Go to the Main ribbon. From the list of values, select the template you created. Then click on Create New. You are now using a template. You can see your comment hovering on the label. You can see your custom view labels. Click on New Sheet to create additional sheet with the same template. When you're happy with your template, you can copy it to other instances. Just click on Manage Templates. Select the template you want to export. Click on Generate XML. Save the XML file. Close the Manage Templates window. Log out from this instance. Log into the instance you want to import this template to. Open the Manage Templates window. Click on XML Loader. Select the XML file previously exported and saved. Click on OK. If you want, you can customize this template for this instance with specific responsibilities or sections. You can copy the template. Click on Copy. Give a name to the template copy and click OK. Now you can customize this new template. Finally, you can always delete a template from an instance. Select the template to delete. Click on Delete, then OK. The template is now deleted from this instance. Thanks for watching the template feature training video.